welcome to my new video. Today, you might saw I got something in the mail. So what this is the finished product I have right here. They're a pair of 3D printed tech goggles from someone on Instagram with the title of Tech Bad Batch. I will link him in the description below. He's a very nice guy. Go follow him on Instagram. Doesn't have YouTube, but if he does have it, I will link it in below. But these are the goggles. I'm super proud of how they came out. So let me show you how I made them. Well, I didn't make them. I'm going to show you how I finished them. Let's go. Okay guys, so this is early in the morning, but what I'm doing, I'm just sanding the rough print down to get it as smooth as possible to prep it for paint. So after it, you'll see me add a layer of filler primer, but this is actually before my school day. So you see I'm not in the best clothes, but this is the next morning when I am actually adding the thing to make it smooth. And that is this nasty smelling stuff. But if you see, I am wearing a respirator and a very, very tight shirt. But after this, but one thing with the filler primer, you want to sand between layers and hit it with, like, I only showed me spraying 2 layers, but I've done 4. Now this was after school and I made my baseball team, so that's why I'm wearing baseball pants and just a random workout shirt. And I'm sanding the print down. Then I will be painting it the nice color that it is after the layer of filler primer. So this is the black layer right now. And as you saw, I just got all the dust off. Now it's time to actually finish it, so that includes weathering the goggles and trying to make a red lens for the flashlight, which I might have lost. But after that, just pop in the lenses, which you will see in 1 minute. So all we have to do are pop the lenses in. Come on. Attach the strap on the back, and there we go. We have a pair of tech goggles. Now, let's put them with the Hey guys, thank you for watching till the end of how I made my tech goggles. Not really how I made them, how I finished them, but that's the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.